In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect MetaMask to PancakeSwap. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can connect your MetaMask account directly to PancakeSwap. You can do this using a PC or a laptop, through a web browser, or through your smartphone. Regardless of which platform you are on, you will be able to connect them directly. So if you are doing this on a PC or a laptop, visit pancakeswap.finance through a web browser, choose the option to connect wallet, and you will see MetaMask among the top wallets. Now, this method is going to be done if you have the MetaMask extension installed. So if you don't have it installed like me, you will see the install prompt instead. By clicking on this option here, you will be redirected to another page where you can download MetaMask as an extension for your web browser. And once it is ready, it will automatically be detected and a pop-up will be given to you. If you do this process through your smartphone, however, you visit the website, choose the option to connect, and then select MetaMask. For this one, you will once again see the option to connect. So again, as long as you have MetaMask installed on your platform, it is going to be directly prompted for you to connect. And once you choose the option to connect, everything will be set up. Your wallet will now be ready. You can manage it at the top. You can see your account and everything will be available. Like I said before, it's as simple as having MetaMask installed on the respective platform. So if you are doing this through a PC or a laptop on a web browser, you will need to have the MetaMask extension good to go. And as soon as you choose the Connect MetaMask, the extension will be recognized and used. If you are doing this process entirely through a smartphone, then you will choose Connect and the application will be automatically detected. So you will see the permissions needed. Usually you don't have to change these unless you want to go really into detail about what it can do regarding the permissions, but just click connect and the connection will be established together. Your wallet will be here and you can manage all of the options by tapping on the icon and then wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect MetaMask to PancakeSwap. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.